Hi there, the Curly Girl is back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable gnomes made out of 2x4s. They're very easy to make and it's a nice little project that you can do with your kids. What you'll need is a block of wood. I used a piece of wood that measures 6 inches long by 3 inches wide, and it's about 1.5 inches deep. And what I did is I painted it first. First you're going to paint it. I painted it, and this is called a crackle finish. I don't know if you can see it real well, but what you do is you put your first coat of paint on, let it dry completely. Then you put a coat of crackle glaze. It's a crackle medium that, well, I bought mine at Lowe's. I'm sure the craft stores must have it. Depending on which way you want your distressing to be, that's the way you're going to brush it on. So I like a vertical stroke, and I brushed the crackle glaze vertically. You have to let it set for at least 4 hours, and then you put your top coat on, and it gives it that nice crackle look. Next, you're going to need faux fur for the beard and the mustache, which I have already cut out just to save time. A lot of you ask me how I make my mustaches. I just take a piece of the fur and I break it in half. I make a little rectangle, fold it in half and separate it, and there's your mustache. You will need a wooden ball for the nose, and you will need material for the hat. So let's get started. First, you're going to put your beard on. Then the mustache goes on. Can you see that? You take your wooden ball, that goes right into the middle of the mustache, like that. Now, to make the hat, it's very simple. You just take your material, and you want to make sure that it's enough to cover the hat. So I think that's right there is where I'll cut it. And now you're going to fold it over. So now my hat ends up being, for my block of wood, it ends up being 12.5 wide by 9.5 long. And you want to fold it over. And at this point, you're going to make a cone shape. So just cut it like that. And you're going to position it give it a little shot of glue so that it stays. And just fold it over. Make sure the glue sets. Now you're going to take a little dab of glue and put it on the nose so that your hat will sit right on the nose. And then at this point, you can embellish it. So you'll take some flowers or something and embellish the top. If you want your hat to stand up straight, you could put wire in the center and it will stand up straight. And that's it. That's how you make it. Very simple. You can follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook, or shop with me on Etsy. Everything is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.